Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some different models in complex numbers. Okay, students. Right now, the question number 1. Like the two lines. Zi minus z bar I plus 2 equal to 0. And z into 1 plus I, z bar into 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0, intersect at a point P. Intersect okay, students, intersect at a point P. Find the complex number find the complex number of a point. Find the complex number of a point on the second line. Okay, students, on the second line, which is at a distance which is at a distance 2 units from the point P. From the point P, if the two lines Zi bar minus Z bar I plus 2 equal to 0 and Z into 1 plus I plus Z bar into 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0, intersect at a point P. Find the complex number of a point on the second line which is at a distance 2 units from the point P. Okay, students. So, dear students, first of all we have to find P point. Two lines, the first line and second line are intersect at the point P. Right now, students, we have to find the first point of intersection. So, students, now this is Zi minus Z bar I plus 2 equal to 0. The Z bar I is standing on the other side. Z bar I equal to Zi plus 2. Now, students, the Z bar equal to Zi plus 2 by I. After that, students, we are taking into I by I. This is Z I into I is the I square, that is minus 1. After that, students, 2 into I, 2I. Upon I into I is the I square. I square is the minus 1. Now, this is the students, we can written as minus of minus plus Z. This is the minus of 2I. So, dear students, Z bar equals to Z minus 2I. Z bar equal to Z minus 2I. Okay, students. After that, students, the Z equal to 1 plus I. The second line is given that Z into 1 plus I. And Z bar is 1 minus I. equal to 0. Now this is what is the z bar in the students? We are taking the z bar is z into 1 plus I. The z bar is we are substituting z minus 2i. The replaced by z bar is z minus 2i. Z minus 2i 1 minus I plus 2. What is the students? 1 minus I plus 2. Now students, we can written as this one z into 1 plus I. Z into 1 plus I. After that, we have to first multiply with 1. This is the students z minus 2I. After that, now this is the students. How can you write this is the student? So here first you can write z into 1 plus I. After that student, z you have to multiply with this is 1 minus I. After that the minus of 2i. The minus of 2i 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0. Now students, this is z is the common 1 plus I 1 minus I. This is minus of 2i minus minus plus 2i square plus 2 equal to 0. How to write the student? Z is the common here 1 plus I 1 minus I. Therefore minus 2i minus minus plus I into I square. Now students, now this can be written as I cancel. This is the 2. After that students, I square is the minus 1. Therefore minus of 2i. This is minus 2 plus 2. So students, the value of I square is the minus 2. Therefore minus 2 plus 2 are cancelled. Now students, the z equals to 2z equals to 2i. Therefore z equals to I. The z equals to I is, we can written as the point P. Point P is the students 0, 1. The point P is the imaginary part is the 1, real part is the 0. Okay students, this is the point P. Now students, we have to find what is the students? Find the complex number of a point on the second line which is at a distance 2 units from the point P. P is the students, now we got 0, 1. P is the 0, 1. Therefore students, what is the second line is there? The second line is z into 1 plus I. Z bar into 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0. Z into 1 plus I, z bar into 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0. Suppose students, let z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to students x plus iy. Now this can be written as x plus iy into 1 plus I. After that, z bar is the students x minus iy into 1 minus I plus 2 equal to 0. Now students, this is how to write the student? Z is the x plus iy. Therefore x plus iy, z bar is the x minus iy. Now this is multiplied with 1. So x plus iy. After that student, this is ix, I into I square. I square is the minus y. After that students, now this is multiplied with 1. X minus of iy. Now student, this is minus ix minus minus plus I square is the minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now students, 1 is multiplied with this one minus ix minus minus plus I square is the minus. So students, here we got plus ixy minus ixy cancel. After that students, here also plus iy minus iy cancel. Now this is x plus x is 0. Okay students, 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now students, this is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the second line. This is the equation of the second line. Therefore students, when you got x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, when you got x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, now we have to find the point, find the complex number of a point on the second line which is at 2 units from the point P. So students, right now we have to find the coordinates which are at a distance 2 units, which are at a distance 2 units from the point P. So students, now we are taking here, this is the point P. What is the point P students? We got 0, 1. Point P is the 0, 1. See that a distance 2 units. Okay students. So now the slope m equal to minus of a by b. That is minus of a by b is the 1. Therefore student, this is the tan theta equals to tan of pi by 4. That implies theta equal to pi by 4. Now students, this line makes an angle pi by 4 with the x-axis. So students, by applying the parametric form, so now the coordinates of Q and R at a distance 2 from the point 0, 1, making an angle pi by 4 with the positive direction of the x-axis. Now we can apply the parametric form is, what is the students? The parametric form is x1 plus mod r cos theta, y1 plus mod r sin theta, x1 plus mod r cos theta, comma y1 plus mod r sin theta. Therefore x1 is 0, mod r is the student 2, that means plus or minus 2, cos theta, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. After that y1 is the students 1, plus or minus sin theta is the 1 by root 2. Now student, this is plus or minus root 2, 1 plus or minus root 2. Okay students, so here the point Q is the root 2, comma 1 plus root 2. Point R is the students root 2, comma 1 minus root 2. So the Q can be written as root 2 plus I into 1 plus root 2 is the complex number, and R can be written as root 2 is the real part, imaginary part is the students 1 minus root 2. This is the students only the advanced question students. This is completely, this is purely based on only JEE advanced question. Okay students, so exclusively only for JEE advanced, it is not for JEE mains and also any board examinations. Okay, so they are not asking any board examination or JEE main. This is only purely based on advanced question. Okay students. Dear students, find the value of log I. So students, here first we can written as I. I can be written as the students I plus 0 into 1. So dear students, sorry, 0 plus I into 1. 0 is the value of cos 90. 0 plus I into 1. 0 is the value of cos 90, 1 is the value of sin 90. After that, students, e power I pi by 2. E power I pi by 2 can be written as the students. On both sides you can apply log of I equal to students log of e power I pi by 2. So students, now we can apply it on both sides. Log I equal to log of e power I pi by 2. So students, this is log of I equal to I pi by 2 into log e. We have to know that log of a power m equal to m into log a. Log a power m, what is the students? The log of a power m is the m into log a. So students, log of a power m is the m into log a. After that, students, the log e value is the 1. So this is log of I into I pi by 2. The value of log e is 1. The value of log e is the 1. This is I pi by 2. So now students, we have to find the value of log a. So this is the students log I is the log of I pi by 2. Log I is there. Log I. This is the students log of I pi by 2. So again we can apply the log of log I equal to log of I pi by 2. Now students, this can be written as log of AB is the students log A plus log B. Log of AB is the students log A plus log B. Now student, this is logarithm of I plus log of pi by 2. Log of pi by 2. Log of AB. Log A plus log B. Now students, the value of log I, this is taken some 1. The value of log I is I pi by 2. Log of pi by 2 is there. First we can write the real part. That is the students log of pi by 2. I pi by 2. This is the solution. So we can write in the automatic form is log of pi by 2 comma pi by 2. What is the students? Log of pi by 2 comma pi by 2. First we can written as I, 0 plus I into 1. After that, students, cos 90 plus sin 90. This is e power I pi by 2. Applying on both sides log I equal to log of e power I pi by 2. I pi by 2 log e. The value of log e 1. So students, again we can apply on both sides log. Therefore, log of log I pi by 2. This is log of a plus log b. So students, the log I is, just now we find out that value is the I pi by 2. Therefore, plus log pi by 2. Log pi by 2 is the real part. Imaginary part is the students I pi by 2. Now this can be written as in the order pair form. Log pi by